Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna share you how to transfer your video or picture from your GoPro to your laptop. It's very easy way, and you just need an adapter to put your memory card inside. And let me show you how to do it. Okay, we just go to our file and we go to this PC, and you see USB drive. We just click on USB drive. It's just working on it. Yeah, okay, we can see the adapter, our memory card is here from GoPro, and we just click on DCIM. It's just taking a while. Yeah, it's a GoPro new folder. That one I was added before. Let me show you. Yeah, that is the picture which I was taking by GoPro 9, and I had a lot, and I had also a lot of video. And then we just copy all the video and all the pictures. Just Control A, then copy, just minimize, and we are going to open a new folder here. Folder. Okay, we are going to name it GoPro 9. Yeah, okay, we are going to open it, and we're going to paste here. It's just taking a few seconds preparing to copy from. Yeah, all right, it's done. We are going to minimize it, and then refresh. We are going to open our file. Yeah, and all the pictures and videos are in our new folder. Yeah, and it's very easy way to transfer your footage, pictures and video from your GoPro to your laptop.